Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video ay magsisimula tayo ng bagong series, ang how to solve age problems. And yung unang problem natin is about sa mag-ama na si Benji at ang kanyang anak na si Cedric. So, Benji is thrice as old as his son Cedric, and the sum of their ages is 64. How old are both of them? So, pag sinabi natin thrice, no? Alam natin na 3 times. Ano ibig sabihin ng thrice is 3 times. So this is 3 times. So, ang sum ng ages nila is 64 and ang hinahanap natin is kung ilang taon na sila pareho. So, gusto kong i-highlight that this problem can actually be solved mentally. Kung napanood niyo yung ating series on how to solve number problems mentally, then you would know that madali lang ang problem na ito at hindi nyo actually kailangan gumamit ng algebra. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo dito sa unang solution, dito sa ating problem that this can be solved mentally. So, this is solution 1. Well, pwede natin i-represent yung ages ng dalawa using dots. For example, naalala nyo, nag-represent tayo dati parang lata or can, At this time, para mas madali lang siya, gawin nating dot. So, yung dot is yung age ni Cedric, So, this is the age of Cedric. Oh, this is big C, And, whatever the age of Cedric, yung dot na ito represents a number, Thrice nung age niya ay yung age ng tatay niya, So, kung meron siyang isang dot, kumari 10 ito, ang tatay niya meron siyang 3 dot, na pareho, Ibig sabihin pareho yung laman niya. Yung dots na yan, kunwari, ay meron siyang laman na number, Pare-pareho yung size, but we're assuming na pareho ito. The dots doesn't matter yung size, don't matter. But ina-assume natin na parehong numbers yan, So, pag 10 kunwari si Cedric, then the father is tatlong 10, which is equal to 30, So, the sum of their ages, kailangan mong i-add yung tatlong 10 tsaka yung isang 10 yun sa age ni Cedric. So, may ilang dots tayo. Meron tayong 4 na dots, This is the age of the father, age of Benji. But these dots contain similar numbers, same numbers, So, ibig sabihin, yung 64, hahatiin natin siya dun sa 4, di ba? So, this is 64 divided by 4, which is equal to 1 times 4, 24. And this is 6 times 4, 24. So, this is 0. So, ibig sabihin, yung isang dot, nagre-represent siya ng 16. So, ilang taon ngayon si Cedric? So, as we can see, Cedric is 16 years old. And the father, ilang 16? Tatlo, di ba? So, 16 times 3 is 48, It's 48 years old, Ngayon, nasa-satisfy ba niya yung condition dun sa taas? 3 times ba? Thrice. Yes, of course, 48 is 3 times 16. At nasa-satisfy din ba niya yung pangalawang condition that the sum is 64? Yes, the sum is 64, 14 carry 1, and this is 64. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina that this problem can be solved mentally because pag sinabi mong thrice, may 3 ka dito, meron kang isa dito. And then you have 4 parts, 4 equal parts. So, you just divide 64 by 4. At makuha mo na yung 1 part doon, yung age ni Cedric. So, panoorin nyo yung series on how to solve number problems mentally. Dinidiscuss ko yung mga strategies dito. So, puntahan nyo lang yung link na nakikita nyo sa baba. So, next, Of course, we have the algebraic solution, ano, kung gusto nyo mas mahirap. But of course, although mas mahirap yung algebraic solution, ito usually yung na-require sa school, no? So, pwede nating mag-let x be the age of Cedric, no? And of course, 3x yung age ng tatay, no? Age of Benji. And pag in-add mo daw sila, sum. Sum means add, no? I-add natin itong dalawa. The sum is sum of their ages. Is, of course, i-add mo itong dalawa, 3x or x plus 3x, which is equal to 4x. But their sum, no, which is 4x, is also equal to 64. So 4x is equal to 64. And, of course, para makuha natin yung x, we have to divide both sides by 4, no? And from this computation, we already know that x 64 divided by 4 is 16. So 16, no? 16 is the age of Cedric, and of course 3 times 16, which is equal to 48. This is the age of the father, which is Benji. Okay, so nakikita nyo, both solutions can be done. Ngayon, kung nagko-compute lang kayo, hindi naman kailangan ng solution. This is your solution. You can just use this solution kung hindi naman kailangan isulat, no? And of course, you have the solution too. Kung nag-aaral kayo and kailangan nyo ng ipakita yung solution, of course, you can use this algebraic solution. So maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial, yung sa part 2 natin.